Hi everyone. So I dropped a video earlier today showing that I go for proof another garden bed, and then I was going to be in the house most of the day, which I am, putting together my tomato cage. So let me show you here. This tomato cage I put together a while ago, and I was like, oh, it's pretty short. So what I did was I think I used the wrong poles in the wrong direction. These are the long ones going this way, and these are the short ones going up and down. So I'm going to use this one for my aromas. This one, when I finally turned the instructions over, I saw that it said use the long poles going this way and the short ones going this way. What is this, vertical? And this is horizontal, I believe. I could be wrong. I always get them confused. This would be for my bigger tomatoes, like my mortgage lifters. So, as you can see, there is a difference. So they're not as short as I thought. I was hoping they would be a little bit taller, but I have lots of boxes to put together. So, we'll see how many tomato cages I will get. And remember, I always take, if I feel it's too short, I always take a tomato cage and flip it and put it on top of the other and tie them together so that way the tomatoes can keep on growing. So I just wanted to show you the difference, but both of these tomato cages are going to work. This one's wider, so this is actually perfect for my aromas, because my aromas, they got pretty big last year. In this one, I was thinking if I put a lot together, I can actually tie them side by side or put them close together. So I'll let you see everything when I'm done. Hopefully I can get them done today. Okay, so I put together 8 tomato cages. Let me show you. These 3 are going to be for aromas. These 3 are going to be for beefsteak. Now we come over here. Let me show you what I did. So this one, I was putting together and I was listening to Miss Linda, and then my mother was asking me to do something for her, and I made a mistake and I used the short extensions right here. So it's a little off, so that's going to be an oddball one. And because I did that, I ran out of short ones from a box. So I decided to make one of just all of the long extenders. And to me, this is actually the perfect tomato cage. Like, this is freaking perfect right here compared to these. So whenever possible, I am going to use the longer rods as much as possible. If I have a whole bunch left, I'm going to make a cage out of the longer ones. I'm going to use all of them. They're actually coated. They're metal and they're coated and they're pretty sturdy. Once you put them together, you're not going to want to take them apart. I'm kind of liking these. So we'll see what happens this summer with these cages. But I'm liking them better than the regular ones you get from the big box store. So I just wanted to show you what I've done. I'm about to stop now. It's after 6 o'clock. I got to get ready for work tomorrow, get myself together, shower, get it together. And but this is what I did today. I did not go back outside to water or do anything because we have rain coming tomorrow evening. So I do not, what you don't want to do is overwater your garden. So that is it. As I always say, please find peace within yourself and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic Sunday evening. Bye, everyone. Hi, everybody. So as the video said,